how to make Notion full page. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to open your Notion and then get started. It could be a new template or it's up to you. So for example, I'm going to create something here, a new project, and I'm going to tap this untitled and you can add a title right here. And then after that, you can click the arrow facing up and down to make it more clearer for you. So let's just say I'm going to add something here like a database. So all you have to do is to type slash and then add some database right here. As you can see, if you don't like the way it shows up right here, you want to use the full page, you just have to tap this three dots and you just have to toggle on this full width right here. Also, if you want your font smaller, you just have to toggle this one on. But basically, this is how you make your page in full so that you can use the full or the whole page right here. You can add databases. You can also add some division if you want. So it would be more clearer and it would be a big help for you if you want to add tons of databases right here or graphs or anything. If you want to turn this one off, or if you don't want to use the full page, you just have to click the three dots again and then turn this one off or turn the full width off. As easy as that. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.